We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning. Today we have to learn about the design engineering 1B and 2B. So for it is particularly video for semester number 4 and semester number 6 students. In design engineering, one of the important part is one of the sheet is learning need identification using by the Allen matrix. So all of you have the 6th number sheet. It is the Allen matrix sheet. Let's start with the Allen matrix. Before starting Allen matrix, I would like to explain you what is design thinking, because we finally deal with the design engineering. So design thinking is the very important things. So by graphical presentation, I would like to explain you the about the design thinking. Let's see this video. This is the definition of design thinking. Okay, as per this video, let's start our design steps. Okay, so as we learned before, our main design steps are the first of all we are doing the observation. After observation we are doing the empathize. After empathizing we are doing ideation. After ideation we are identify the problem, and after identify the problem we are creating the prototype. So before creating the prototype, first we have to learn Allen matrix. It is give the particularly goal for the particularly final solution purpose. So Allen matrix. So first question is, what is Allen matrix? The learning need matrix will help students to identify the learning requirements at any earlier stage along with the prioritization of the specific learning along with the defined time duration time allocation for the each. So particularly Allen matrix is prepared for the spatial reason purpose. We have to observe the surrounding things, activity, environment, users, and all these things are there. But instead of that, whatever we are learning regarding engineering things, non-engineering things, and the day-to-day life activities, so that activity also we have to fit in the particularly matrix. So this matrix give one group, and that group will be used for the skill development purpose, learning purpose, as well as the proof of particularly our topic. So let's see. So this is particularly Allen matrix prepared by the GTU, selection by the GTU. So here one particularly states are there, 4 quadrants are there. So 1 minute. So here the quadrants are there. So quadrants give the most important things. Here you can observe that this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. This quadrant also divided into the 3 stages. Okay, stage number 1 for design engineering 2, stage number 2 for the design engineering 3, and stage number 3 for the design engineering 6 semester. So this is the particular fourth. Here you can observe that the first quadrant indicate the theory, method, application process involved in the mathematical requirement. So here is the related the theory, whatever we learn in our semester or what we learn before in science, that we have to conclude here step by step. And up to here the application standards and the design specification principle and the experiments. So here we have to utilize our practical knowledge, whatever standard we are using for the particular things. Like if I am giving the one example of a standard, then if I am say that dimensioning standard for engineering graphics, we'll learn that one standards is there for the dimensioning purpose. Standards for the our unit purpose we are always using in as a mechanical engineering, we all are done observation in the So this is the one standards are there. Some civil standards are there. If we are learned regarding the mechanical, then the ASME standard, construction standard, ISO standards are there. So that standard we have to learn, that you are already learned in the industrial engineering subject, also explained by the Kedar sir. So another part is the particularly this part is related to software, tool, and simulation methods and skills. So this is mostly used for the electronics engineer students, computer engineer students, as well as the mechanical engineer students. Here we have to indicate the software related help like AutoCAD, ProE, CATIA, then the ANSYS. And last quadrant is particularly for the components, materials, strength, create, and related to material related problem. It will be available in also the managerial principle of management things are there. It will be available in market, or we have to generate it. It will be available in local market, or it is specific market is there, that we have to learn by the learning in matrix. So this is the particularly one pharma is there, and particularly at center we are our purpose and product concept we are putting. So what is the main object of that product, and what is the purpose? To solve this kind of purpose, we have to observe the each and every quadrantal activity. Let's start with the particularly example. So learning in matrix, students are identify requirement in the each code dimension, whatever I am explaining, such thing is explained here. So let's start with the one mechanical engineering example. So particularly this is prepared by me. So here we are starting with the center, purpose and product concept. So here I am giving the solution as per the previous example, pedestrian safety. So whatever we learn in the design engineering proof of concept presentation, same example is here. Just our purpose is motivate the drivers and about the safety of the pedestrian, and advanced display and signal system for the pedestrian. So this is the problem related to pedestrian people. So who are the pedestrian? We, for that pedestrian of the safety, we have to alert the driver, we have to alert the advanced display and signal system, means for that purpose we are working right now. So here as you can observe in the first quadrant, so first category, what subject we have to learn or something is there, theory, techniques or a method. That is the energy conservation, means solar system to electrical system. That is we can utilize this thing for the advanced display system. Now another is the pedestrian safety, and that pedestrian safety is come under the civil traffic subject, as well as the MSMT. You know that material science and material technology for the selection of the material. So we have to utilize these theories for the our product purpose. Now second stage I am selecting the sensor technology, computer graphics, traffic management and the CAM. Why I am write down the CAM? So this is the advanced system of the computer graphics. Traffic management is related to manage the traffic, but CAM I am here written, it is a computer aided manufacturing, because whatever pole or system or a signal we are prepared, it is under the manufacturing things are there. That's why I am write down the CAM. And the up to end we have to create a large number of the assembly, then we are using the develop FMS system for particular system, automated sensing, detecting and replying system. This is little bit related to the other branches are there, but we have to consider it then the indication system. Okay, so this is the particularly part of the theory, methods and application process. Samely now we are jump into the another quadrant, and this quadrant indicate the particularly this quadrant indicated the software, simulation, skill and tools. So here first I am write down the 2D modeling, and we know that for 2D modeling we are mostly utilize AutoCAD. If the computer students guys are there, then they can utilize the image processing. Samely in the 6th semester we learn the in CAD the 3D modeling is a Pro-E, or we can say right now it is a Creo. So we can utilize any software. You can select Creo, CATIA, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, anything. So this is for the assembly design. Here we can design the part and the orthographics or isometric presentation of the object. Again we can prepare the assembly design, image processing and Java processing. So this is the combination of the all branches. That's why I am write down the image processing. You can write down the different you can say that the component name and the particularly tool you can prepare by the sweep, you can prepare by the rotation. You can write down that thing here in the, or you can write down that is a composite presentation is there, or a B representation is there. You can surface modeling is there also. Now in the final stage we can utilize the virtual simulations in with the process simulations, or we can say nowadays robotic simulations are there, RobCAD, Dalmia and all these things are there. Then drafting detail list. Why it is important? Drafting is the final output for the CAM. So this each and everything are the connected with the each other. So that's why we are preparing step wise. Now in this quadrant, this is the particularly for applicable standards and design specifications. So if we are learning regarding the standards, so as per production technology, for fixing the to preparing such thing or a fixing purpose, we have to learn 3 to 1 principle for the fixing, 6 sigma for the implementation, means quality purpose we have to learn. So these are the standards. We cannot change the principle of the 3 to 1. We cannot change the 6 sigma. We have to follow it. That's why it is considering in the standard. In the second stage, design specification as per the design check by the machine design 1 and machine design 2. So if I am giving the one example, of the machine design. So if we are selecting the bearing design, so some internal and external diameter purpose, some standards are there, we have to follow that standard. Okay, so this is the tool standard, ASME standard related to American Society of Mechanical Engineering. So it is related to welding purpose also, and some other welding standards are there, so we have to follow it. But here I am not indicating the welding standard. IEEE standard for the sensors and all these things, so we have to follow the electronics standards. Also the some government rules and regulation, government norm standards are there. If any civil structure is then we have to follow the ISO civil standard, ISO 2000, ISO 2001, and so we have to follow it. In the last quadrant, the component materials and the strength created, means this is related to material. So first stage we have to prepare a list of material. We identify already this kind of list of material in the product ideation, means you are write down that props and all this thing. And the sheet number 4, we are directly indicate the final components after the function and features. So this is the list of final list of material. So ability of the particularly material in the market, that we have to check. Then material testing is required, then we have to do material testing, bill of material, cost component checking, and this is the final product that we have to finally utilize for our project. So learning in matrix is a particularly one goal in which direction we have to utilize our learning for to complete our identify or a problem or a solve the problem. So this is give the one direction regarding one theoretical part, one virtual part, one standardization part, and one is particularly selection of the material. So thank you for this. If you have any query or if you have any questions regarding learning in matrix, you can WhatsApp me, you can comment me, and you can email me. Okay, goodbye, best of luck.